What is up, guys? It is Rylan VR here, and in today's video we're going to be playing Big Scary, but Big Scary is installing, so I think it's the new update. Wait a minute, but the new update can't happen that fast. Let's see. Why is this loading screen like this? I don't really like this loading screen. Hopefully I'm lagging like crazy. Crazy. Oh no. Wait, fireworks show? Yo, fireworks. Fireworks. No, I fell. Bro, but there's fireworks. Whoa. Yeah, America. Yo, oh, fireworks. So yeah, we got fireworks in Big Scary. As you guys can tell, we got fireworks. Oh, it says new level soon, but there's a cool fireworks show. So we got fireworks that's gonna be staying, but he also said new update soon. So yeah.
All I gotta say is play Big Scary's Friday Night
Bro,
when I drop it.
I've met, who did I meet? I met Jamelvin Siren. I met Shrek. I know I met him. I met Shrek, I know that. Because I posted a video about it, so I met Siren, Jamelvin, Shrek. I met Clonify Jr. But I think I met Clonify. I think I met Average Monkey when he was not a mod. He was just like, you know, like a CC hat. Curtis. I don't think I met Curtis or Sloth or 8-Bit Duck, Zero or Cream. So I met 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. I met 5 people, then the other 5 I did not meet. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there's 10 people in here. They should add more moderators. So yeah, I'm just happy that there's gonna be a new level soon. So yeah, new update, guys. New level soon. It says soon, new level soon. Yay! And it's actually just cool that we see a fireworks show. Bam, 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 boom, boom, bam, bam, boom, bam. But it would actually be cool if you could actually with fireworks like up there, like set up, then like you had like this lighter that you could actually like light, and then you could light the fireworks. Like that would just be cool. But yo Shrek, I need you to work hard on the next level, because I want it to be good. Yo, like and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully. Well, I already know what it is. It's the boys go on the island and the boys go on the boat to find the lost island. I think, cause I'm in the Discord server, so I would know. So yeah, next update it's gonna be the level 26 update. I already know it, bro. Level 26 update. This is what level 25 looks like already. I mean, level 25 is like a cool level. It's just that I want the monster to actually move. Like, it would be cool it would be cool just to see the monster moving. That's all I wanted from level 25. Because the monster did not even move first thing I came out. So yeah. Like and subscribe, guys, and yeah,